Welcome to iWarehouse 2.0. Shoppers are greeted by a feature table used for displaying desktop PC sets. They are then drawn to a corner with attractive shelving where focused cell phone brands are on display. A column was camouflaged using clever display shelving that will showcase laptop units. From here, the elevated flooring leads to an area where demo units are on display for shoppers to try. The demo units are also visible to shoppers outside the store, calling out to them as they are being used inside. In this area, tech and repair services are also offered, adjacent to the processing and releasing corners, to help facilitate any sale which ends at the payment counter. Welcome to iWarehouse 2.0. In the next sub-scheme, minor changes help to focus more on the techie feel of the store. The backlit display above the shelving was removed to simplify the area and minimize visual clutter. The counter was also redesigned to have a metallic background for the iWarehouse signage, using a material that matches the payment counter. Yet overall, the functions as well as the energetic feel remains in this sub-scheme. Notice that in both schemes presented, there is an acrylic barrier at the tech area, processing area, and payment counter. This is placed to ensure the safety of both customers and staff as we prepare for the realities of the new normal. We at Arcolab Design Studio are eager to hear your thoughts on this rebranding scheme. We hope to usher in a new version of iWarehouse that offers better customer experience that ultimately translate into increased sales for the business. At Arcolab, we value collaborative design.